What you're seeing on my screen is my attacking system, and this is the Python script I'm going to send to the WhatsApp. I'm going to use this WhatsApp as demonstration. Before I do that, I'm going to set up a baseline for my attacking system. So this is going to wait for the connection, waiting for the victim to click on the file. So what I'm going to do now is to drag this script here. As you can see, I've dragged the script. I'm going to send it right now. The script has been sent, and the only thing I'm left is now to do now is to open the script. I can query, I can start running commands and start getting information about the system. For example, I would do like a system for this will display the system, the information about the operating system. Let's go up here, you can see it's level 1, this level. I can do whatever I want on this Windows operating system right now.